You need to know in your calculations for determining the cost of this value add proposition is what is the absorption rate in that particular community. That's the amount of time it takes for a new unit to be absorbed into the market and by a tenant. How long does it take for a new unit to be leased up by another tenant? If it sits on the market for 4 months, if the absorption rate is one showing a 4-month absorption rate, you've got to figure that into your calculations of how long, once the deal is closed, once that unit is put back on the market, you've got to hold that unit for 4 months in order to find the right tenant. And it's not your fault. You can go out there and do all the marketing you want, but that absorption rate is unique to every market. It's not unique to every property. You have to understand what the absorption rate is in your marketplace. One of the best places to find this type of information is in the Marcus Millichap research reports on their research site. You go into the MSA that you're looking in, and it's typically on the 4th page of the 4-page report, and it'll tell you exactly what the absorption rate is in that marketplace. So that way you can understand exactly how long it's going to take you to turn those units and how long it's going to take you for that value add deal to happen. Now, if you're out there selling your deal to a savvy investor, trying to raise private money, and they ask you the question, what's the absorption rate? You better know what they're talking about, okay?